In front of me is Itel S24 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on one of your photos you wish to add, or all of them right away. If you can't find them here though, you need to tap on folders, tap on your photo and then hit folders again and tap on another one to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!